Well, here in Chattanooga, the lighted boat parade was held at the riverfront last night. Time lapse right there. You see it in that video from one of our digital producers, Preston Steger. It shows the lighted boat parade and its longtime tradition, usually kicking off the Christmas season. Well, traffic is picking up on the Tennessee Valley as people begin to head home after a few days off for Thanksgiving. Well, right now there are no reports of any problems on the roadway, just a lot of traffic. So you might want to be prepared for that. If you're planning to be on the roads tomorrow, what you'll need to know for the weather is very crucial, and meteorologist Alison Pryor has the answers there in a full look at the forecast. Alison?
Well, Joy, if you're going to be driving tonight, tomorrow morning, really through the first part of tomorrow afternoon, the good news is dry weather. You're going to be heading back home, or maybe people are going to be heading towards this direction too. Now, overnight tonight, cloud cover is going to be increasing across our area. Remember, temperatures will be cool, so you just need a jacket if you're out and about tonight. But again, dry. We're looking at temperatures in the 50s for the first part of the evening and then dropping down into the 40s. Once again, here's that system in Texas that we're going to be watching coming into play for our weather. So first, starting off, we're going to be talking about rain moving in. Quiet conditions tonight, just that light wind from the north. When you're waking up tomorrow morning, we'll kind of call it partly sunny to start the day, but pretty soon it will become mostly cloudy across the area. But you'll notice this is during the morning time on Sunday. Generally, we have dry weather, just that increase in cloud cover and wind coming gently from the southeast at about 5 miles per hour. Kind of key time I'm going to hone in on is about 4 p.m., maybe about 3 o'clock. We'll start to see some scattered showers move into our far southwestern counties. As we head into Sunday evening, though, this rainfall is going to become more widespread and we'll have additional pockets of heavier rain indicated by those red and orange colors. So you could have some rain heavy at times, kind of slowing down, drying up with more rain moving in for Sunday night into the early morning hours of Monday. There could be a few rumbles of thunder with this, some embedded thunderstorms. We're not expecting anything severe, but if you hear that thunder and it wakes you up on Sunday night, don't be too surprised. And then, of course, this is the first big blast of cold air we're talking about for the winter time. So here's what you want to know. Monday morning, we could see a little bit of a mix along the Cumberland Plateau. This is just a transition as that cold air starts to move in. So heads up if you're heading back to work or school on Monday morning after the holiday. For most, though, drying conditions for Monday morning. We'll kind of have a chunk of the day on Monday from mid-morning into the afternoon, where generally it's dry, quiet weather, but it'll be breezy and those temperatures will be dropping. By Monday evening at about 5 o'clock into the nighttime hours, though, you'll notice these higher elevations. We are going to have some of those light snow showers. So Cumberland Plateau to the west for our eastern mountain counties. Not really showing on here, but even in some of our valley spots, particularly in Tennessee, more so than in Georgia, you could have a few snow flurries for Monday evening into the Monday nighttime hours. Now, total snowfall accumulation for this is going to be light because the ground surface is pretty warm still this time of year. So mainly we're talking about on grass and elevated surfaces. You can see just about a trace to up to an inch, generally from Grundy County, Marion County, up through Bledsoe County, right along those highest ridge lines, Cagle Mountain, potentially an inch or a little bit more. You can see that also for our far eastern counties. The most significant snow is going to be up in the Smokies, and that's also where they're going to have that greater wind. From Dayton Mountain through into Lookout Mountain, Signal Mountain, down into Sand Mountain, into the Fort Payne area, potentially just a tenth of an inch. You'll probably see some snow, but not as much for the accumulation. Everybody, though, we are talking about cold temperatures. So this is jumping ahead to Monday morning. You can see that cold front moving through. The low that I have on our 7-day for Monday is for about 8 a.m. Temperatures are going to be holding pretty steady through lunchtime. And then for Monday afternoon, our temperatures will be dropping. So in the middle of the afternoon, look at this, 30s across the board. The wind chill is going to be even cooler than that. And then heading into Tuesday morning, really cold blast. We're looking at temperatures across the entire area in the 20s for Tuesday morning. Your highs on Tuesday pretty much staying in the upper 30s to about 40 degrees. So we have some chilly days ahead. Get ready. Pull out those winter coats. Hopefully you enjoyed today when it wasn't so chilly. 64 was our high today, 47 was the low, so both of those are above normal. We just had a trace at the Chattanooga airport overnight, but 3/10 in Red Bank, 1/10 in Lakeside, and then East Ridge today had a high of 62 degrees, 2/10 in Chatsworth, 1/10 in Blue Ridge, and 64 was the high today in Summerville. And then to the north we had 1/10 in Delano, we had 600s in Altamont, and 64 was the high today in Jasper. Overnight tonight a low of 44 in Chattanooga, 39 in Dayton, and 42 62 in Dalton with that increase in cloud cover. Tomorrow, the first part of the day, remember, it's going to be dry. 61 for the high in Chattanooga and in Athens, 62 in Dalton and 56 in Altamont. Here's your full 7-day forecast. So again, pretty nice for the first part of tomorrow. That rain increasing tomorrow late afternoon, especially during the overnight hours. That high on Monday of 53, that is for about midnight. Temperatures will be falling during the day, so get prepared for a cold afternoon on Monday and certainly a chilly day on Tuesday as well. Joy?
Alrighty, Allison, thank you. Looks like we have